Hi, I'm Amanda. I worked with 123 Remodeling and I had a great experience. When I saw 123 Remodeling's pictures, the aesthetic was really familiar to my own. We called them over and they came up with a design proposal and ultimately we hired them. We're glad we did. We really like the end result. We have a beautiful kitchen, beautiful master bathroom and guest bathroom, and they also upgrade our living space. We had our kitchen completely gutted from floor to ceiling. Everything was changed. 123 Remodeling redesigned the counters in the island, and our kitchen is about 2 times as large as it had been as far as counter space. We definitely wanted to brighten up the house with bright colors and a lot of contrast as well. Oh, we really like those reflective materials, as you can see from the photographs. We went ahead with a jacuzzi bathtub. That's been a lot of fun. So everything in the bathroom is brand new as well. I thought it was a great artistic collaboration. I think that it was fun to work with them because they have a similar style. It was really easy for them to make recommendations, bring my ideas to life. It turned out really, really well. We're really happy with the result, and it really brightened up our living space. I did. I thought that they were really nice. Everybody was really professional. We definitely recommend 123 Remodeling, and we'll call them back when we renovate the upstairs in the future. We love the final product, and we definitely hire them again.